Meet the HillMiles MilePort 1, a compact foldable electric bike that packs big city performance into a sleek go-anywhere frame. Designed for the daily commuter and short-trip adventurer, this e-bike brings together power, portability, and comfort like never before. At its core, the MilePort 1 features a 250-watt high-speed brushless motor, delivering smooth, stable power every time you hit the throttle. With acceleration that reaches its top speed of 25 km per hour in just 10 seconds, climbing hills or picking up speed in traffic feels natural, not forced. You get the torque you need without sacrificing control. Powering your ride is a 36V 13Ah removable battery. It offers a generous 80 km of range in pure electric mode, and up to 100 km with pedal assist. It's not just long-lasting, it's practical too. Simply detach it and recharge at your convenience. No hauling the entire bike upstairs or into the house. What makes the MilePort 1 truly shine is its ability to fold. When not in use, it compacts down to a neat 90 by 37 by 73 centimeters, perfect for car trunks, closets, or squeezing onto a train. Weighing in at just 28.5 kilograms and supporting riders up to 120 kilograms, it's the ultimate companion for flexible city living. Comfort hasn't been forgotten. Dual suspension with a pneumatic front fork and a spring-loaded saddle keeps the ride silky smooth, even on cracked pavement or gravel paths. The 20-inch by 3.0-inch fat tires offer superior grip and shock absorption, ensuring stability whether you're on urban streets or countryside trails. The MilePort 1 also includes thoughtful features that make a difference day to day. A multifunctional phone holder keeps your device visible and secure. There's an LED headlight and rear reflector for visibility at night, a foam passenger seat cushion for added comfort, and a classic Bell & Shimano 7-speed gear system for enhanced control in any setting. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or exploring, the HillMiles MilePort 1 is the e-bike that moves with you, literally. Fold it, ride it, love it.